This is how it looks like in actual. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received gifts from our friend from Higher Sport, so thank you so much, Mr. Sunny, for the trust. I will be showing to you the Higher Sport shop in SHOPEE and also the actual products that I received from them. So the packages will look like this if you receive them. Alright. The next one is going to be, so dahan kayo siya plastic covering, guys. So this is the napoy ziplock ang ilahang diving glove. Here you go. This is how it looks like in actual. There. Alright. So I will try it on. This is in the size of medium because I have medium size. Okay. So I love the perfect fit. You can also adjust here. Okay. Perfect fit siya for me, guys. Medium. Okay. This is best for Spiros and for those who conduct cleanup dives underwater. So this is the best gloves for you. This is very affordable. The price will be seen in the video that I'm showing you while I'm showing you the actual products. Once again, these are the 3mm gloves. It's very thick and very durable, and this will prevent you from getting cold right away in the very cold waters, in the ocean, swimming pool, and in the sea. So if you need diving gloves, check out Higher Sport. This is the Yupard 3mm diving gloves. So the fourth product that I'll be sharing to you today is the Yupard diving snorkeling gloves, which is 3mm thick, and this is for men and women. So it has anti-skid, anti-scratch, and also it's for your hands to be warm while you are underwater. So it's available in small, medium, large, and extra large, and it's currently at the price of 539 pesos, so 55% off or 55% discount if you buy it from them. And of course, it's going to be free shipping already, because if you buy anything from them worth 249 pesos, it will already be free shipped. So this is the product. So this is once again the design that you will receive from the gloves that you'll be ordering from Higher Sport. And the product description: Slinks diving gloves is designed for scuba diving, snorkeling, spear fishing, warming, underwater engineering, and it has 4-way super stretch neoprene. It's durable and easy drying, and this material is designed for supreme flexibility, warm, light, and less water absorbs. Alright, so again, that is the product. You will be receiving a pair of the diving gloves, which is 3mm thick. Price is 539. So thank you so much, Higher Sport, once again for the trust, Sir Sunny. They have given me before underwater flashlights and unsa pa to daghan na sila products na hatag nato. So thank you so much, Sir Sunny. And also the floating device, the life-saving device, they also gave that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Love you. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like and follow my page if you have not supported yet. And feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment section if you have any questions for Sir Sunny or about the products that I have vlogged today. So once again, please don't forget, Yupard at Higher Sport or higher.ph in SHOPEE. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Happy diving! Keep safe!